Looking for a Shein promo code that actually works in 2025? You're not the only one. Everyone's on the hunt for great deals on the latest fashion trends. Here's how to snag a Shein coupon bundle with discounts up to 85% OFF quickly and easily. Step 1, scroll down to the description. Click on the link that says, claim your Shein promo code bundle up to 85% OFF. That'll take you straight to Shein's official deals page. No spam, no sketchy redirects. Step 2, if you're new to Shein, go ahead and sign up. It's totally free. Got an account already? Just log in. It'll only take about 30 seconds. Step 3 now. Dive into Shein's huge selection. From clothing to accessories, beauty products, and home goods, it's all there. Choose what you love and toss it into your cart. Step 4, when you're ready to check out, enter the promo codes from your bundle. The discounts will apply right away. No hassle. You can save up to 85% in total. Pro tip: combine your promo codes with flash sales, clearance items, or Shein points. That's how to make the most of your savings. Click the link below. Grab your Shein promo code bundle now. Start saving and styling. Enjoy the amazing deals.